Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a Onlinefix64.dynamic link library file error or missing. So here, for example, failed to load Onlinefix blah 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 from the list, error code 126. So here, in order to fix this, maybe you have to check your Windows Defender. Let's open it by click on your system tray. There's a shield icon. This is the Windows Security or Defender. Double click and click on Protection History and then click Filters. Here you can choose quarantine items, and if your Onlinefix64 file listed here, you can try to restore it. So just simply restore your file in this quarantine box on Windows Security. And next, there is another method. You can try to reinstall the problematic software, program or game, or you can go to the control panel. You can choose uninstall program, like you uninstall usually, or you can try to uninstall from the installation folder. And also you can try to run SFC command line, copy this SFC scan now. Then you can open your CMD, run as administrator, and pass this SFC hashtag scan now, then hit enter in order to fix corrupted system file or missing file. Or you can try to download this Onlinefix file manually, for example from trusted sources like dllme.com. You can try to download this file and put into the installation folder or the destination folder. Feel free to try to fix this kind of error. Onlinefix64 failed to load. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.